watching Key News HD International. Sahiwal City Traffic Police started providing facility related to driving license 7 days a week and 24 hours a day in Chichavatni. Citizens got other service including learner permit, renewal license, international license, lost license on Sunday a holiday. Inspector General of Police Punjab Dr. Usman Anwar and DIG Traffic Punjab Mirza Farhan Beg and Regional Police Officer Sahiwal Mehboob Rashid Order and District Police Officer Faisal Shehzad under the supervision District Traffic Officer Sahiwal Said Khan Lodi in the Service Center Chichavatni. Traffic police related facility including learner permits were provided to till 12 o'clock on Sunday, also a holiday. Traffic police staff are present to two shift at Police Service Center Chichavatni, while Police Service Center DPO office Sahiwal in present in three shift to service a citizen will appreciation to the good action of the brave officer. He said that such a measure to are commendable for the citizen.